Hello, Emer. On behalf of the class, I'd like to welcome you to Clontuskert's virtual classroom. In this class, we have 4th to 6th class, and we hope that you have a great time, and we're really looking forward to asking you these questions.
Thanks for that intro. That was nice and warm and welcoming. I love it. This is so cool. You're like literally sitting in seats. It's so cool. Okay, well, look, listen, let's not waste any more time. So I'm Emer O Neill. Does anybody know who I am? Raise your hand or shake your head, nod your head. Yeah. Okay. Anybody not know who I am? Is anybody like, who's your one? Who's this? Well, I am on Homeschool Hub. Anyone seen me on Homeschool Hub? Yeah, so I do exercise with Emer. I'm all about fitness, getting up, getting active, and the importance of that. So your teacher or your principal has invited me here today to talk to you a little bit about myself, growing up, my background, and sport, playing basketball for Ireland, and being on Homeschool Hub, and then of course a little bit about racism. Okay, so I understand you have been doing a little bit about racism already, is that right? Yes, with heads. Yeah, okay, cool. So this is one of those things where I'm gonna need some like interaction. So nodding heads is good, thumbs up is good. If I'm amazing, a clap is good too. Cool. Okay, so let me tell you a bit about me. Oh, I see a clap already. Woo woo! Let's go. Okay, cool. Believe in yourself, yeah? Watch what happens when I do this. What does it say? It says
Be you. Be you.
Be you. Yes, be you. And I love that because you can't be anybody else but yourself, and you should love who that person is, and being you is so important. So whenever you're in your mind thinking about things too much, you just remember that. Believe in yourself. I put my hand over it. Be you.
I have a shirt that says "Believe in yourself."
Oh, no way. Yes, nice.
At the end.
Isn't that crazy? That's so cool. You see? And then you can wear that now and show people and be like, look, be you guys. That's what it's all about. Yeah. Well done. Love it. Okay, so Black Lives Matter does not mean that Black people want to be above every other person on the planet. But Black Lives Matter does mean that they want to be equal with everybody else. Because at the moment, the way the world views them is like this. So that they are inferior or less than a person that is white. And that's where we all need to fight for change. So how long have you worked with RTÉ School Hub? I started with them in September, and it was because of my activist work. One of the producers saw one of my videos that I was talking about what it was like growing up as a mixed race child and woman in Ireland, and they got in touch with me and asked me would I be interested in doing it. And I was like, yeah, totally. I've always wanted to be on TV, and I've always wanted to be on a kids show. It's like one of those things that I was like on my bucket list, like a dream come true. So that's how that started. And then when schools went into lockdown and closed Homeschool Hub, they asked me to join the other Moon Tours, and that's where it all began. Okay, so I wanted to become a teacher because I love kids. I love working with kids. I think they're just so much fun. Like your age group and teenagers, every day is an adventure. And I just really wanted to be able to do something like that every day of my life. And like when I was in school, like I was telling you guys before, like in primary school, didn't really have a lot of confidence, even in secondary school. So like I would have loved to have had like a teacher that I could relate to, and like that would like maybe be a friend and like help me a bit. And I didn't really have that. So I really hoped that I could be that person for some kids in school.
Emer, we'd really thank you because what you've shown us today has really taught us more about racism and what we should do and not do. And I know here in Clontuskert that we really stand up to racism and we really want to stop it. So we'll do our best, and thank you again for coming.
Wow, what a well-spoken young girl you are. My goodness, thank you for that lovely send-off. That was beautiful. I'm so proud of you guys. You keep up that good work. You hear me?
Thanks so much, Emer. Guys,
No
before
problem.
we finish, stick on your cameras again so Emer can see. You have a big
Bye
wave.
bye. Have a great day.
Thanks so much, Emer.
You're welcome. Hearts to you guys too. Love you.
Thanks.
Bye. Thanks, guys. Bye.
Slán.
Slán. Slán.
Bye.
Bye.